Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to trade Forex on eToro. Trading Forex, which is foreign exchange on eToro, allow you to trade different currency pairs like EUR USD, GBP/USD or USD/JPY. You can profit from fluctuations in currency values by buying or selling cryptocurrency pairs. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and log into your account. After that, use the search bar at the top to find the cryptocurrency pair. Once you find the cryptocurrency pair, click on it to open its trading page. You will be able to see real-time prices, charts and other market details. Now choose the option to buy here and sell. Choose the buy option if you think the first currency in this pair will increase in value relative to the second currency. Choose the sell option if you think the base currency will decrease in value relative to the quote currency. After that, enter the amount you want to invest or trade the amount filled. This is the total amount you are willing to trade in the Forex pair. Double check your trade settings including the currency pair amount, stop loss, take profit and leverage. Once everything is set, click on Open Trade button to execute the Forex trade. So that is how you can trade Forex on eToro. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.